Bridge 21 is an active, collaborative, project-based and technology-mediated approach to learning.
The rationale for the Pizza Maths activity is to develop a conceptual understanding of the mathematics and the mathematical formulae in a realistic and meaningful environment. And in conjunction with that, to help the students to develop their information literacy skills and consumer awareness.
The Bridge 21 activity model is made up of 7 components: setup, warm-up, investigate, plan, create, present and reflect. The setup phase is used to encourage the students to work together in teams.
Okay guys, I want you all to stand up and face the wall, and I'll put a sticker on your back. You've each been assigned a pizza ingredient. You need to now find the other pizza ingredients to make your team. So can each team now agree a team name and a team leader?
Once the teams are set up, they work together to brainstorm an open question.
Okay, so the brainstorm for today is to come up with as many different things that you can think of that can be represented by a circle. Okay? You've got 2 minutes, off you go.
The investigate phase introduces the activity context and gives the students the opportunity to think creatively. They will research the information and develop the content knowledge required to address the problem.
Okay guys, given a choice of 3 7-inch pizzas, 2 9-inch pizzas or 1 16-inch pizza, what do you think would give you the most pizza?
7.
Anybody else? Any? Okay, show of hands, 7-inch pizzas. Okay, what about the 2 9-inches? Okay, and 1 16? Okay, interesting, very interesting. What information do you think you'd need to figure that out?
There's the pizza.
Very good, okay. Now, the challenge for today is based on that idea, okay? Each team is going to be given €25, and what I want you to do is to calculate the most margarita pizza that you can get for that amount of money. So, what information will you need to be able to do that? Yeah?
You need the cost of the pizza, so you have to find websites with the prices.
Excellent. Okay, and you already said that we needed to be able to find the area of the pizza.
Yeah.
How do we do that? What information do we need?
The radius.
Brilliant, okay. And with the radius, what can we do? What's the formula? Does anybody know the formula? Yeah? Pi r squared. Fantastic. Okay, away you go.
During the planning phase, the students refine the problem context. They select which websites to use, decide how they're going to address the problem and break up the tasks.
So for this activity, it can be a good idea to have some recommended sites for the students' websites, and they can be local to increase the level of context.
During the create phase, teams are working on solving the problem and refining and reflecting as they go.
The create phase for this maths activity involves the students developing appropriate calculations and developing a justification for both their calculations and their approach. Okay guys, time is up. We're going to do the presentations now. I hope everybody's ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Through the development of presentations, students are encouraged to describe their output and what they have learned. During the reflections, teammates reflect on what they learned and how they work together.
In this case, a plenary session can be used to reflect on the content, the mathematical content that's been covered during the activity. And in addition to that, team and individual reflections can be used to help the students to reflect on the key skills that they've developed throughout the activity.
Just thinking though, next time we order pizza, I'm definitely get the 16-inch.
Yeah,
Oh, definitely, yeah.